Hi, my name is Mani Mekalai. Today I'm going to walk through our research, a bibliometric analysis on sustainability in business ethics, the global trend in Scopus database from 2004 to 2020. In this century, the words sustainability and business ethics have been spoken widely in business ethics field. Business ethics are one of the key instruments to persuade of long-term profit in global business. Besides, it also helps to sustain the customers. Problem statement. Over the decades, the researchers had been conducted to various studies on business ethics as well as to investigate the importance of business ethics. However, the global trend yet to be discussed. The paper focuses on the trends outline of sustainability, provides a direction for future researchers, stipulate a new insight for policymakers. The paper intends to present bibliometric analysis from 2004 to 2020 to outline the trend of sustainability in a big picture and guidance for the future research in looking for a new area in sustainability of research. The paper can contribute for academicians, business organizations, and NGOs to understand the global trend, the importance of business ethics, and its future direction. Methodology. Web of Science and Scopus are two leading databases in the world. However, Scopus is a multidisciplinary database increasingly used by academic researchers because Scopus has collected more research articles which may not be available in Web of Science. Therefore, this research is conducted using Scopus database. Data mining for this bibliometric paper was conducted from 9th March to 10th March 2021 by exploring the Scopus database from 2004 to 2020. In order to retrieve the necessary documents, the authors had determined a theme in the searching process. The key theme of analysis is sustainability in business ethics as a main words to be inserted in the searching for abstract and title. This is to obtain the global trend of the keywords. When the keywords are included, the authors sort out the articles based on the years where the older paper was 1998 while the latest is in 2020. The finding shows from 2004 to 2020, there are 223 papers were written on business ethics and sustainability. It shows there's a tremendous increase on business ethics and sustainability. The finding shows that Western countries are doing more research on business ethics and sustainability compared to Asian countries. The findings showed that authors from US, Spain, Mexico, Netherlands are contributed more on business ethics and sustainability. Grazia Sanis and Nithaman are the major contributors in Scopus database with a total of 3 publications with H index of 3. The finding also showed the keywords co-occurrence analysis indicated that business ethics is related to sustainability, sustainable development, CSR, globalization, and values. Conclusion. The study provides a clear picture of business ethics growth based on 223 related studies in Scopus database. Since the 2004 till current year, the business ethics studies have been increasing gradually. The researchers have been recognized business ethics and its contribution to sustainability and organization performance. The analysis also indicated that United States, United Kingdom and Australia are the leading countries focused on their research on business ethics. However, it shows not many studies have done on Asian countries. So business ethics is a new area. It is going to be a hot topic in future because it provides a guidance for business sustainability and long-term profit. Therefore, the study suggests the Asian countries to do more research on business ethics and sustainability. Thank you.